Hi everyone, so I've got a bit of a problem. So I was trying to make a Sony Ericsson W595 ringtones on Nokia 7100 Supernova. I use a Nokia 7100 Supernova, as you can see. So it's in this folder. As you can see, file format not supported. I'm unable to play files on the .m4a file format, so this is actually kind of a fail. Especially considering that on my Nokia X2-00, the M4A files just play just fine. So I don't know what the deal is with that, but unfortunately, a Sony Ericsson W595 ringtones on Nokia 7100 Supernova is not possible. Fortunately though, there are like only very few, like 3 I think, that are playable. Or 4, no 4, there's 4. So, I guess I'll play them, just for the sake of it, but, just consider this video a fail. Anyway. Anyway, I hope you could understand why I'm unable to do Sony Ericsson W595 ringtones on Nokia 7100 Supernova. It's a shame, but the Nokia 7100 Supernova has to be inferior to this Nokia X2. Anyway, thank you for understanding. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you all in the next video.